Wow, so many colorful eggs. Let's open them and find what is inside. Look, a shiny apple. Apples help keep your body healthy and strong. It's a banana. Bananas give quick energy to play and learn. Wow, a juicy orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C to fight sickness. Look at these grapes. Grapes are good for your brain and body. Yay! Watermelon! It keeps you cool and full of water. Sweet strawberry is here. Strawberries help boost your immunity. It's a yummy mango. Mangoes are full of vitamins to make you strong. Look, a pineapple. Pineapples help digestion and keep you healthy. Fruits are sweet and healthy. Eat fruits every day and grow happy.